Welcome back to Day 1 Spanish, episode 2 of 20. I'm Carlos, week 1, the foundations.
And I'm Lucia. Yesterday you met the verb to be. Today, the other verb you cannot live without, and the strangest thing Spanish does with it.
As always, one real news sentence. Lucia, real news speed.
El presidente tiene 62 años y vive en la capital.
A profile of a politician. The kind of sentence that opens half the interviews in Spanish news.
Here it is, one more time, slowly. El presidente tiene 62 años y vive en la capital.
The key word today means has, Lucia.
Tiene. Tiene.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after Lucia, out loud.
Tiene. That's from the verb tener, to have. Carlos, why does the news love this verb so much?
Because yesterday's verb tells you what people are, and this one tells you what they have. Children, money, problems, plans. Half the news is people having things. Lucia, I have.
Tengo. Tengo.
Your turn. Repeat after her.
Tengo. You have, talking to one person. Tienes. Tienes.
Repeat it out loud.
Tienes.
Now listen to the three together and catch the pattern at the ends. O, es, y.
Tengo. Tienes. Tiene. And here's the secret, Carlos. That ending pattern runs nearly every verb in the language. O for I, es for you, e for he or she.
Exactly. You're not learning one verb today. You're learning the machine, and it's why the pronouns can vanish. The ending already says who. Full table on the lesson sheet at linguawire.com/day1. Now, what does the president have? And this, Lucia, is today's quirk. In English, he is 62 years old. In Spanish?
In Spanish, nobody is 62. He has 62 years. Listen. Tiene 62 años.
He has 62 are years. Age is a possession in Spanish. You collect years, you don't become them. Which means when someone asks your age, the answer always starts with tengo. I have.
And the number is friendlier than it looks. 60, sesenta, and y, 2, dos. 60 and 2 in exactly that order. 62, sesenta, y dos.
No surprises, no backwards number. Spanish builds them left to right like English. Your turn. Repeat after Lucia.
62 años. Años. Years. And do mind that little wavy line on the N. It changes the sound, and without it, you'd be saying a completely different and much ruder word. The yang says años. Años. Tiene 62 años.
Last piece. Where does he live? In the capital.
La capital. Vive en la capital.
Vive. He lives. And listen to that ending. Vive ends in y, tiene ends in y. Same slot in the machine. He or she. The verb to live is vivir. I live is vivo, with the O.
Vivo en. And then your city. That's a sentence you'll say in your first real conversation. Try the whole phrase. Repeat after me. Vive en la capital. Vive en la capital.
Numbers 0 to 100 and the whole family. Mother, father, son, daughter are on today's sheet. You'll hear them in every human interest story. Back to where we started. Lucia, slowly first.
El presidente tiene 62 años y vive en la capital.
The president has 62 years and lives in the capital, now at real news speed.
El presidente tiene 62 años y vive en la capital.
2 days in, and you just understood a sentence with 2 verbs in it.
Now the best part, your turn. The whole sentence out loud. Repeat after me. El presidente tiene 62 años y vive en la capital. Muy bien.
Day 2, done. The verb to have, and with it, the OESE machine that runs nearly every Spanish verb, plus the great age secret, you have your years, you aren't them.
Your lesson sheet is at linguawire.com/day1, free. The full tenor table, numbers to 100, the whole family. And the 10-minute homework is right there with it, built on today's sentence.
8 minutes of listening gets the sentence into your head. 10 minutes of homework keeps it there.
Mañana, el gobierno, la policía y el ejército están en las calles.
The government, the police, and the army are on the streets. Tomorrow we face the famous one. The day you learn Spanish has 2 verbs for to be. It's much friendlier than its reputation. See you then.
Hasta mañana.